welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be doing a drawing off. We're both gonna have POVs, so you guys can both look at our drawings. And we're gonna have types of categories. Okay, so we each get a black marker, and you cannot color. Oh, excuse me. So
I need a marker. Give me a marker.
Okay, so the first category is your profile picture. You have to make a newest profile picture.
make a
And whoever wins has to put it on their YouTube channel. Whoever wins.
I can't do that.
Starting now.
This is so easy. I'm not going to win this.
I honestly do want this to be my profile picture.
Honestly, I think I'm going to win this, kind of. But not really. No, that's not the perfect head shape.
And then since I'm done, I'm going to draw with color. I really do want this to be my profile picture.
This is so scary.
It's scary though.
Scary.
I really want this to be my profile picture, like extremely bad.
Since she has like that colored hair color, I'm just going to color her hair.
Oh, Bill, you can make whatever profile picture you want.
Oh, I'm trying to make mine. Okay. Okay, so, actually, clan, I don't know what I'm going to do.
Clan? No, it's not a clan.
Oh, yeah, sorry, not clan. Sorry. Let's see here. What do I want? What do I want? What do I want here? I can't think right now, so I'm going to think of what I want.
Sounds like going on first and do this one. Now, if I animate this on an animate thing, then I'll be ready. Okay, I'm done. Gotta wait for her to be done. Here's mine. She can't look. And now all I have to do for the final touches is put my name at the bottom. So, yeah.
I'm trying my very best. Let's see what I want.
Yeah, come on. The viewers want you to be done.
Stop.
Okay. So, here's mine. Yeah, the name looks a little crooked, but we have to do what we gotta do, okay? Gotta do what we gotta do. So let's give her a point of view. So look above. This looks like a kind of bear. The time's almost running out. We have 1 minute, one more minute. Time's almost running out.
I'm only going to put lightning.
Okay. And time is up now. So,
I'm not even done yet.
you need to add color?
Well, kind of.
Okay, we stop at 30 seconds. All right, what colors do you
Brown. Give me it right now.
You also need pink for hearts.
I need purple for hearts.
Purple not down there.
There's our purple.
No, there
But I
isn't.
do need pink.
No, there isn't. There is no purple.
But I do need pink.
Here's pink. Time's almost running out. Yeah. You don't need to add color to your name.
Yes, I do.
29,
It's in my name.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21,
I'm
20,
almost finished.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13,
I guess we'll use pink for my name.
11, 12, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I'm already done.
Okay, so now we're gonna look at our names. So here's his Bailey's.
Lightning.
Lightning. And then here's Bites. Okay, now we got our race. So race. All right, I'll give you the erase, okay?
Okay.
Here. The next category is how many subs you think you're gonna be in the future. So you have to make a picture of what your thumbnail is gonna be for a bunch of subs. 3, 2, 1, starting now.
Okay. I'm gonna start off with the base. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so I'm gonna have a t-shirt on neck first. A t-shirt. Oh, that's so crooked. I don't care. This looks horrible. I need the eraser. I'll be.
Okay, good ones.
If you can get by here on the stage, and I can give that I never would I put you or change.
It's copyrighted.
Sorry.
Don't copyright us, please. I'm done. So guys, come with mine. 1,000 subs. That probably means I get to go to VidCon. Get me to 1,000 subs. Not this channel, but the other channel. You know what I mean. We have 4 minutes. I mean, not 4. Yeah, 4 minutes. And then we're gonna have to end the video in 4 minutes. It's gonna be the last one. I can help you. Can I help you?
No. It's loading.
Shh, don't tell them that.
They'll see. Wait, I'm gonna be creative.
29, 28.
No, give me more time.
Fine. 1 minute.
You know what that is.
Okay.
I don't have a title.
Oh. You only have a couple of time left.
What should I do?
Oh, the heart and then OMG, I got 2 on 1 subs. 2, 1 mil.
Done.
Okay, so let's see hers. And it's like a little loading thing. That's cute.
It's a little loading thing, and this loading is a heart.
She can't see. Yeah, it's a loading the heart. And that's his title. And then we got the one more. And this 1,000 subscribers, as I can see, there's a confetti. And I get to go to VidCon. Probably. Yes. Then I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And see you later.